when I worked for Fred, Mr. Rogers, I tell people this all the time. You kind of keep waiting for the other shoe to drop because you can't believe somebody can actually be this, decent. And you keep looking, thinking, nah, this can't be real. Never happened. Never happened. He became a friend, and he's a mensch, as they say. He's a really, really decent guy.
Hey guys, it's the Simon Time from the Simon Time Trivia Show. And as someone who's been doing entertainment here in Central Florida for over 12 years, I can tell you that Original Orlando Tours is the biggest bang for your buck. It's informative, it's engaging, and the food is delicious. So if you're looking for something to do with your loved ones, friends, family, significant other, Original Orlando Tours is your best bet.